Hi guys, welcome back to tutorial race, and in this video tutorial we are discussing about WordPress installation as well as WordPress admin dashboard. So in the previous chapter, in the previous discussion, I had just shown you that how you can install WordPress, and in this video tutorial I am going to show you that how this admin dashboard works. So let's start from settings, click on settings, and then general. We are going to work on settings and then general. So click on this, and here this is the title of the website. As you can see, if you press mouse here, then you can see this is the title, and this title comes from here. So if I'm changing learn WordPress, and this one is slogan, learning is easy. Okay, so just say updating these two things, and you can see the changes here. This has changed here as well as this slogan, and apart from that this title has also got changed. And the next thing is this one is the website address. So which address? This is the address. So this one you need to change when you upload the complete WordPress into the server. Okay, so I recommend you to not to change here in localhost, because if you suppose just change somehow and click on update, your site will now no longer work. Suppose after updating this you are trying to open this website, then it will not work. So how you can fix this? Just go to admin, the PHP my admin, and just click on this, and then WP options. Here you can update and it will start working. Double click on this and just type it as it was before. So now it is what still there is a mistake, and then WordPress. And this is also important when you are moving or migrating your complete this WordPress website from localhost to server. Then going to server, going to the PHP admin, you need to change these two fields. Only then it will work smoothly in the server. So now it will work perfectly. And this one is similar. So I recommend you don't make changes in this if you're working on localhost. And this one is the admin email, the site wide email. So if you want to change the email ID, then you can change your email ID from here. And another one is membership. So you know what happens by default in WordPress, there is no option of registering anywhere. Only one can log in from here, but there is no option of registering. For example, if you have your friend who is sitting in different city and you want your friend to also write blog for your website, then you want to give access to him, or you want your different if you want your users to register into the website and contribute, so that after registering they can contribute, write something in your blog. So they will have to register first, but there is no option by default, there is no option of registering in WordPress. So if you want to enable the registration option, then you can do that. So just log in here and go to settings and then general, and there are different. So just click on this, anyone can register. Just you need to click on this, and then subscriber. Okay, so what will happen if the user had if this level, there are different level here. So subscriber, if you select subscriber, then the user can just register and he can do nothing else. For example, I've just click on selected the subscriber option, and now just log out this. Okay, so you can see here the registration option has just come. It was not before. Now if you click on register, then username, say I'm giving here abc, and email id abc@gmail.com. remember this remember you should give this correct email id, because the password will be sent in this email id only. Since this is local host, so it will not send any email. So just I'm clicking in register. So registration is complete. Now I will log in as an admin. So I'm the password and user id is already saved here. So admin and then admin. Now I will go to users here, all users, and then here the abc new user has come. So just edit on this and create password. Admin can create password of any user. So I'm just giving this password. Also I'm giving this abc, and I have to confirm that I know that the password is weak. Okay, and then finally just update the user. Okay, so now again I'm logging out, and now I will log in as abc user, and now password also abc. Just click on login, and then you can see that all the other things are missing in the left side. Only the user can update one's profile, update pictures, and change the password, and the user can subscriber can do nothing else. So that's the power of uh, WordPress. Now suppose if if you change it to contributor, okay, and now save the changes. And now let me register as a contributor. So just click on register, and then cont username I'm just giving, and cont@gmail.com. Remember the password is, there is no option of password here while registering, because password is automatically sent to the this given email id. Since it's localhost, that is why it will not send email. So I will log into as admin and create password. So just click on register, and then once again log in as admin to create password. Now go to users, and you will see the third user has come here. The third user has appeared as a constant, and now just create password again. So const, you can give any password you like. Just update the user, and now I will again log out from here, and then let me log in as nst, and then st const. The password was also same. Okay, okay, so that's fine. Suppose you forgot the password, so how you can change the password? So go to phpMyAdmin, and then users table. Okay, now this is my cont. Actually username was cont. By the way, if you want to change password, then go to password, and then change here, say cont, and now md5. Okay, and then click on go. So the password has changed here. Now try to log in as cont, and then password cont. Log in here. Now I am logged in as a contributor. So what I can do, I can write some post here. I can write some post, but remember this post will not appear. For example, hello Kolkata, this is description. Okay, now submit for review. Why this button has come? Because the contributor can only submit the article, but ultimately admin will check, and if the admin finds that the data is correct, it has been written well, then admin can approve. Only then it will appear for the general user. So now you have seen that how this WordPress has different level of user level, and as per the user level it grants different type of permission. For example, if anyone selects here author, then it will automatically get uh, approved, and if anyone select administrator, then the other person will be complete administrator. So remember, while enabling this anyone can register, always normally it should be subscriber, and if you don't require this, then don't click on this. So the next thing uh, is, okay, so we will get back to this section again, but in the next video. So stay connected. Now we will move to this post and pages section. So thanks for watching. Stay connected. Bye bye.